Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great and that you're feeling fine. You're getting your vitamins so that you are more protected from all of these viruses going around. And I was thinking, well, a lot of people are going to have some company over the holidays. And whether you're expecting no one or whether you're expecting a lot of people, but especially if you're expecting some children, I thought this would be a good treat for you to keep on hand and have ready just in case one of those little ones wants a little something to eat. These are yogurt pops, but they can also be made into little cups so that you don't have to worry about dripping, dropping, and the sticks. So, first thing you do is you're going to need some fresh or frozen fruit. And you can get that any time of the year and stick that in your freezer so that you have it just in case company comes. That can be strawberries, mangoes, peaches, anything you like. Blueberries are always good. And then some low fat vanilla yogurt. And it doesn't have to be vanilla, it can be your favorite kind, but vanilla is going to bring out the taste of whatever you added to the yogurt, and it's not going to conflict with whatever you put in there. So just fill the container, whether it be a popsicle making container or a cup. It can be a paper cup, plastic cup, or anything, depending on the size you want these things to be. And then you fill it with halfway full with yogurt. Then you fill the rest of the way with either fruit, whatever fruit you chose. And if it's going to be a popsicle, you stick the stick in there and then you put it in the freezer for, I'd say, at least 8 hours to get it deeply frozen, or you can do it overnight. And they can stay for a long time so that you don't have to worry about doing it as a last minute preparation if company does come over. And that's a nice treat. It's healthy from the fruit and the yogurt. You're going to get some vitamin A and some vitamin B, plus you're going to get some protein. The amounts of each will depend on the yogurt you buy and the amount of yogurt you put in each serving. So you can make these little, you can make these bigger. Um, I like the little ones myself. They are less messy, especially around the holidays, because they're going to be inside. And cups work really well because they do make much less of a mess. So I thought I would give you this recipe, something that you can use over the holidays and make sure that your guests are getting something they like and something you like. If you don't get guests coming over and you've made them, you're going to enjoy eating them yourself. And now I'm going to switch. And this is a recipe for an avocado shake. Let's see if I can get that up there and better. Avocados just look good. Of course, avocados are good in a lot of things, but this is a shake recipe, and you take one ripe avocado, which is going to give you protein, and then you mix it with a cup of almond or soy milk, and a half cup of low-fat Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ground flax seeds, a half a banana, and if you want to have it chilly, well, you probably won't want to do that on Christmas, but as a general recipe for any time of year, if you want to add ice to it, go ahead and add ice. Put all of that stuff in the blender and blend it all until smooth. And that's going to give you a nice avocado shake, which people might enjoy if they enjoy avocados and the other ingredients. But it's also a chance to give them something to taste and see if they like it. And that would be a nice conversation piece if you do end up having company over the holidays. The avocados are rich in antioxidants such as E, C, and K, all of which are very good for protecting you against the viruses that will be floating around this winter. So I just saw these and thought you might enjoy trying one or both. And if you do and you like it or you don't like it, let me know, and I would be very interested in your response. Thanks. Bye. Talk to you later. Please like and subscribe.